Okay, this is job number 200018. This is called Gilman Square Apartments, and combination of sidewalk repair, and there'll be a little bit of asphalt repair because of the sidewalk needs to be put in. There's two parts though to this project. As you can see, there's apartments all around me. I'm in the middle of a courtyard. So this pool here would be on the southwest side of the property. Over to my right is the east side of the property where the entrance is coming into Gilman Square. So if you came in to the entrance and took a left, you'll see this brown building, and there's a walkway that comes back here. They want to put sidewalk in that connects from this sidewalk over to that bridge and that bridge over there. Closest area to access for concrete is going to be right out this way, and that is about 100 feet away. So you have to go about 100 feet down the sidewalk. This is a 3-foot wide sidewalk right now, and we're looking at doing the same thing. It's 3 foot by 160 feet. If you see them on my drawing here, which is going to be hard to view here, you can kind of see how I drew in a path going around this tree. So it's going to have 3-foot path going straight off of this edge here, then going straight right past the light pole and over to that bridge, and then also going in this direction 3 foot over to that bridge, or 3 foot wide and over to that bridge. On this back side, you've got a picnic bench. They'd like to put the walkway on the inside of this picnic bench between there and this rhodie bush. There's enough room, but there's going to be some roots to have to cut through in order to do that. Going this direction, though, they've got pretty good packed crushed rock in there. But we'll have to dig it out so that we can put in a 4-inch depth sidewalk, 3 foot wide. Triangular pattern here. It's pretty level out here, but some of the obstacles you might have is you got the playground here, as you can hear. All right, this is the first part. The second part is a sidewalk and ADA ramp on the northwest corner, and I'll take you to that here next. Okay, this next section is this sidewalk here. It's 4-inch depth. They want to take out the sidewalk. These panels right here, they want to take it out from there, but we're going to have to start back here at the joint, and I'll give you the measurement on that real quick. Okay, so in their drawing, they're saying they want to just take out these panels right here, but if we're to go to the joints, we have to start back here, take all this out, and that's just one used with our tool, so it means we'd have to go back to that joint, and that's 36 feet going all the way from joint to joint. 36 feet by 5 feet. The other thing they want to do is they want to put in an ADA ramp in this section right here. They asked in the thing to do 15 feet out. Well, if they do 15 feet out, it's going to put them right in the middle of this drive aisle, and from there to about that corner is only 20 feet. So I'm not sure if they're going to want to go out 15 feet or not, but they do want to put an ADA ramp here. My only guess right now, and I couldn't get them on the phone, was, you know, you've got accessibility to a dumpster there and a dumpster here, but across the street there is a sidewalk and ramp, ADA accessibility sort of, over to the ball fields here. It's my only guess as to why they want to do an ADA ramp in that corner, because there's no ADA stall access here. It's just no parking, so they can get into these dumpster areas. So my guess is that either they're looking for access to that walkway or access to these sheds or something. I don't know. Or maybe it's for the donation box. I'm not quite sure. There's no ADA accessibility as far as parking stalls go here. All right, so they want a ramp right here on this corner. With there only being about 5 feet there, I'm not sure if we're going to put in a ramp with 2 curbs, one going along the back side and it just drops down, and then we lift it up to there, or what. I guess that determination will be made before we send the estimate out. But there you got 36 feet here by 5, and it looks like exposed aggregate, but it needs to be broom finish. And over in the courtyard in the middle where the bridges were, that is broom finish as well. I think that is it for now. You'll see there was 4 inches that were up here, and as you got down into here, it was more between 4 and 5 inch depth. So we might want to figure on about 5 inches on this sidewalk here. This job is for Security Properties, and it's out in Issaquah. This is Gilman Square Apartments. Northwest Asphalt's out here bidding this too. They're the ones that did a bunch of asphalt work in here recently for a project that King County Housing Authority had us look at. It was like one of 13 properties. Northwest Asphalt got it, and they're putting a number on this too. There was one other person out here bidding this, but we did not get to see who that competitor was. All right, any other questions, let me know. Thank you.